Hey guys, Alexander Piana here with Century 21, sitting in front of a new listing we just put up on the market this week. Matter of fact, we have open house this Sunday between 12 and 3. We're in the city of Garden Grove and Lakeside Drive community. It's a about 250, 270 units in this complex, completely renovated about 2 years. As you can see, there's some streams behind me, there's fountains, there's a lot of like really serene and nicely landscaped throughout the whole community. They did a really great job. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, a little over 1,000 square feet. Again, today we just put it on the market, and it'll be hitting on the market, or hitting the open house, I should say, 12 to 3. Alexander Piana, the Piana Team, experience results.